Condition of tuple of integers. How do I write a concise /neat Boolean condition to test if all the integers in a tuple are in a given range? Something like would be perfect. Of course that doesn't work because it uses lexicographical ordering, so also evaluates to true. Instead I would want it to evaluate to true if and only if all the numbers are in the range.
Should be a relatively concise solution. It may not be the shortest piece of code, but it is almost self-documenting.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.